Hey guys, I'm Hasba with WTI, and what you see back there is things that I need on a daily basis, and I needed to keep them in the room, but I didn't have enough space. So I got this amazing organizer that fits right there in that corner, and it's been a lifesaver. This is a corner shelf organizer from ZZPXMY, and something I love about it is that it is great for all the rooms in my house. It goes great in the bathroom but also in the bedroom, and that is exactly where I have it because I need to keep everything I need, such as skincare, hair products, and personal hygiene stuff. I find it really useful because my house is not that big, so I don't have a lot of space where I can place organizers. And I found this corner in my room, and this corner shelf fit perfectly because it is made exactly for that. This one has 4 shelves, and it's perfect for empty corners, just like this one is right where my door opens, but I wanted to take advantage of that space right there. And then it has 4 shelves, but I can detach 1, 2, or 3 and keep as many as I want. It has wheels so I can move it around. It's white and it's just perfect because it has lots of space. So if you want to keep your bathroom, kitchen, or bedroom organized, this one is perfect. I love it, and that's my point of view.